Welcome to the Daily Calm. I'm Tamara Levitt, and today we'll be doing a body scan meditation, putting patience into practice. To start, find a comfortable position. Make sure you're sitting upright with a tall back and open chest. Rest your hands gently, and when you're ready, close your eyes. Let your face, your forehead, and jaw all soften.
Hey guys, what is good? Welcome back to another video. So a big thing that separates the successful from the unsuccessful is their ability to get things done when they don't feel like it. Their ability to be self-disciplined regardless of their mood. And it is not something that they are born with. It is not a special characteristic trait that only the select few obtain. It is something that we can all learn through certain strategies, through certain tools. And I wanted to share a few of those in today's video. So the first one I wanted to talk about, I'm just gonna drink some water real quick, is something that was used by the Stoic philosophers, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, all those badasses, and that is negative visualization. They would visualize negative outcomes and the possibilities of them happening to prepare themselves. And how we can use this to get things done is we can visualize how our actions today or inactions will affect our future. If I relate this to fitness, if you skip today's workout, that will lead you to skipping future workouts, which will lead you to becoming a lazy and unproductive person, which will lead you to not reaching your goals. So when you visualize these negative outcomes, it gives you the motivation, the inspiration, the drive to do that workout, to work on that side hustle, because you know the negative outcomes of not doing it. And the way that I love to use negative visualization is I will visualize how my actions or inactions are leading me to being the person that I don't want to be, are taking me further and further away from becoming my best version, from becoming the greater version of myself, and how that's going to affect my loved ones, how it's going to affect the lives that I'm able to impact, and how it's going to affect me personally. And when I do that on a daily basis, that gives me the drive to work on my tasks throughout the day. The second one, and something probably not a lot of people are saying, is to cut yourself some slack. If you're really not in the mood, if you are really tired or just not feeling it, do something else before you start your task. Whether it's going for a walk, I would highly recommend meditation. Whenever I'm overthinking something or whenever I'm procrastinating a task, I'll do meditation to clear my mind, to allow my mind not to be focused on that task for 10 minutes. That's usually how long. I use the app Calm, which I highly recommend. It's a great meditation app, and it allows me to allow my mind to clear and to do my best to not think about that task. And then once I have that clarity, I'll go and start my task. Or another thing I would suggest is making a meal. If you haven't had breakfast yet, if you haven't had lunch, eat some food and allow that energy, use that energy towards what you need to get done. All right, my mouth gets chapped when I do these straight talk videos. So the last one I want to talk about, and I've made a separate video on this, which I will tag up here, is early rising. And why this one is so important is you've already accomplished something difficult and you are already 10 steps ahead of most people. So many successful people, The Rock, Oprah, the CEO of Apple, I believe his name is Tim Cook, they all wake up super early, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. I'm sure if you follow The Rock on Instagram, you've seen his 4 o'clock wake ups where he does cardio and then he trains right after that. You gotta love him. There is a reason why these guys do this, and these women, and it's because you have all this uninterrupted time to grind. And if you accomplish the difficult tasks first, that frees up your entire day to do the things that you love doing, to hang out with your friends, to spend time with your family, to maybe work on more side hustles all throughout the day. And something I would highly suggest is a morning workout, because what you can do is use that rush of dopamine, serotonin, and leverage that energy towards the task that you want to complete. When I wake up and I feel out of it and I feel tired and I'm not in the mood to do anything, I'll go hit the gym, force myself to get into the groove of the workout, and then usually I'll start feeling it. I'm like, okay, I'm awake. And then once I come home, it's much easier for me to start my task because I'm leveraging that energy from all those happiness chemicals. All right, guys, that's it. How to get things done when you don't feel like it. So important if you want to create success in your life, if you want to reach your goals, if you want a better body, if you want to create a life that you can enjoy living. It's so important to get things done when you don't feel like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat like. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see each and every one of you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.